22nd, 2011, 5:22 p.m. This is the aftermath of a tornado here in North Minneapolis, 21st Avenue North and North Vincent Avenue. Wow, that's pretty crazy. So, this tree is completely uprooted. Jeez. Just creamed. Yeah, there's a couple cars back there too that just got creamed. Yeah.
Oh, this is just nuts. I've never seen anything like it.
They just rolling past like it's nothing. I'm like, hello, could you come and check and see if
Yeah.
this lady, my neighbor who hadn't came out her house all while
Yeah.
it happened? Because
we didn't even hear sirens.
I didn't hear nothing. And they're saying on the news that there were sirens. I didn't hear any.
The storm.
Yeah, after it hit.
Yes.
They're saying it came before. Oh wow. That house is obliterated. First person I've seen with a chainsaw in like
We've a couple of us been on it. We just
8 blocks.
The people who own chainsaws and they're not out here.
found on that. All 3 phases are down. We got
Fox News cast station here. Nobody home right now.
And my room is damaged.
Your room is damaged?
Yeah.
Really? It was a 1/4 mile wide, this tornado.
You know, that about fits though, because it looks like it's about 3.5 blocks of really heavy damage wide, and then we've heard all the way up to Golden Valley.
Oh, really?
Yeah.